All right, this is Tim and Nathan Clark. Tim is the father. He runs a tree trimming business on the side. He's really good. Nathan's an awesome man. He's like 21 or 22. He's incredible. So they're great neighbors. They're just really nice people. And so you can see the weeping willows here. We had a lot of wind. And of course, willows are widow makers. Yes, widow makers. Nathan's as strong as a goddamn bull. This guy's ripped. Yeah. I offered to help, but of course, that was immediately denied. And no, I couldn't do anything except be eye candy. So these trees mark the border between my neighbor's house here and my property. You can see my house off in the distance. There it is. You can see the containers where the cars are stored. Front yard. We are facing north. We are facing south. We are facing west. Yeah. Strong like bull. Nathan just picks it up. Oh yeah, it's amazing. So my neighbor, Darlene, this is her tree. It fell off. I'll give you a close up. It broke right there. The wind was blowing, it fell down. It's uglier than sin. Tim and Nathan are gonna get it all cut up. That will make Darlene happy because her daughter, Elena, is having graduation party. She's graduating from high school on June something. And obviously she wants it cleaned up. And since I'll do anything for Darlene, so I called Tim, and he said, no problem, he'd clean it up. Now, he helped me clear all the trees off of my property after the house burned down in preparation for the new house. And we did a dozen trees, and it is a ton of work, an unbelievable amount of work. And watching Tim do his thing, he is so good at it. He's just amazing. And like I said, Nathan's a stud muffin. I got a nice close-up picture for all the people who want to see the stud. He's kind, he's generous, he's warm. I know a lot of people in his age group are just amazing human beings. The stereotype quite often now is, oh, kids that age don't work hard, they don't want to work hard, they're lazy. The ones I know, Ryan, Tyler, Jacob, and Nathan, are amazing human beings. I wish I was as hardworking at his age, or these young men ages, as they are. They're just amazing human beings. So we'll watch the trees slowly disappear. I won't bore you with the whole thing, but it's fun to watch Tim handle the chainsaw. Yeah, he's very impressive. He's been doing it for decades. So that's kind of fun. We'll see how things go. It's gonna look great. I'll be back.